Welcome back. We can output this photo inside of a PowerPoint presentation. In order to do that, we can give the chatbot a command, and we're going to ask the chatbot, again, using single shot prompting, we're not going to use a structured prompt, to output this photo inside of a PowerPoint presentation. So our prompt says that we want this photo that we have just created to be output inside of a PowerPoint presentation. We are specifying the size of that PowerPoint presentation, and we're also specifying what we want the title slide to say. Once we do that, we're then going to click Enter. And we're going to let the chatbot do its work. You will typically then see a download link. You'll want to test your download link. And our slide presentation is now created. We can also then go back and ask for the photo to be output inside of a Microsoft Word document in a similar way. And you'll see your document output in a Microsoft Word document. And we can also output the document as a PDF document in a single shot prompt. We can click on this element to see the document. And you will see your image inside of a PDF document. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.